Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the parking assistant in your BMW X5 and X6. All right, this should apply for the X5M and the X6M, and as well as any other X5, 35i, 35D, 50i, things like that. I'm going to show you what feature you need to have for this to work, and I'm going to show you how the process works. All right, guys, let's get started. Also, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eddie. I do a lot of car content, a lot of the DIYs. I do BMW X5 content, BMW content. So if you like cars, be sure to subscribe. So before you begin, make sure your car has this feature. All right, now I know the questions can be asked, can this be coded to your car if you don't have it? And the short answer is no. You cannot code it because it is a hardware. It is not a coding thing, something you can unlock. It's not that your car had this feature. But if you ordered the car or previous owner ordered the vehicle with this feature, you'll see it. And I'm gonna show you how you'll know. All right, guys, so the first thing you wanna know, if you don't know if you have this feature or not, go ahead and put your car into reverse, activate your rear camera. And what you'll see is you'll see the camera functions. You'll see all the different functions. Now on the top, if you see, it's highlighted right there. It says parking assistant. This is what you have. If you have this, it can be done. This is the little steering wheel with the P next to it. All right. So now I have a set up area. You see right there, I have where the M3 and the Civic is. That's where we're gonna park, right between those two cars. I made it somewhat challenging, but like average if you were going to park there. So we're gonna do that now. That's about average width between to get the X5 in and then get it back out. That's kind of what you look for when you see a parking spot. When you get into drive, go ahead, start pressing this button. Now I think you can press this around like 20 miles an hour, kind of like when you're starting to look for a spot. You press that, it activates a feature. When you say, so I'm going to drive, and I'm going to press the parking assistant, it brings up the top down view, but it also brings up this view. So when I drive past parking spots, it's going to show the parking spots, and when it finds one, it's going to put a P there and indicate that, hey, there's a parking spot. All right, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna follow the instructions. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Here we go. I see those little bars are telling me that it's looking for a parking space.
Parking mode on.
Up. So I put turn signal on to the right. I acknowledge that with the press down right here. Press OK. It says to park a vehicle, take hands off steering wheel, press and hold the PDC button. So I'm gonna do that now. Press and hold it. Release the brake. And here it goes. I'm not touching anything. It's going to the spot on its own. It's getting close. It's not like shifting the drive. And that's it. You see there, it parked right in the spot.